sounded like you did have the bypass for a very loud car to make those loud popping noises. It sounded like you had an incomplete combustion that was exiting your exhaust system. Am I right or am I wrong?
Hey, welcome back. Today is a beautiful day. It's also 7-Eleven, so you already know what's going to be going down tonight. We're going to be heading out to a car meet at one of our local 7-Elevens. But right now, I am hopping in the car to go meet up with Nick at the shop. We are going to be working on his S13 that he's been putting together for a while. If you go back and check out some of my older videos, you can see where we left off. We also currently have no gas, so I'm gonna go make a stop over by my homie and have him fill me up. Pause. Currently walking into the shop. Let's see where Nick's at. Hello? Is anybody here? Look at this pretty thing. Since the last video that I posted of the 180, all that's really gotten done is he sent his motor out, had the whole thing rebuilt, got bigger cams. I forgot about the cams. Yeah, it's gonna go brop, 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 brop. Now he's just piecing it back together. You know, we did the oil relocation the other day. He relocated the battery into the back. We made a little trunk setup for him. So there's been some stuff going down and I just have been slacking. And now I'm heading over to go meet up with Tukes. So peace out, dude.
Later.
See you later. Off to 7-Eleven we go. So this is actually my first time bringing out the car like to a meet since I put on the lowering springs, the side splitters, the new wheel setup and everything. We just grabbed some food real quick, using my wing as a table because, you know, gotta still be out here.
I kinda feel bad doing this, I'm not gonna lie.
Why?
Because it's kind of disrespectful.
Not really. I kind of.
Your car is dirty anyways.
I told you to do it, one, and two, it's kind of what it's there for.
Yeah.
Already. This is already getting shut down. It's been
He's got his horn.
It's been about.
Everyone's looking at him like, what the fuck is going on?
Maybe 20 minutes. Okay, so someone's just hurt and needs an EMS. Yeah, can you imagine you're a family like, oh, let's go get Jersey Mike's for dinner. Yeah, and then you come to this and everyone's just stuck here. Damn, this shit clean though. Instead of walking around the whole time and just talking and showing you things, I'm just gonna throw a quick little montage of all the cars that were here. Yo, this was supposed to be a 7-Eleven meet. I don't even know what's going on no more. Everyone's getting rowdy. And there's another one. Yo, are we winning for the biggest 7-Eleven day?
Yeah.
Put down in the comments below what you think. Here.
They done pull my boy over. That's crazy. And I'm just making a left, a right. Damn. They must have ran a light or something. What?
Well, you have a smoking car. No catalytic converter.
Damn. I honestly think they pulled them over because they thought it was my car.
Right now, I make 4. Or you tell me what you got for me. What have you done to your car? You got a downpipe. You have no catalytic converter, correct? You got a catalytic converter? I'll give it back. See how much when you talk to me? If you want to lie to me, I'll give you back the car. I'll do a full check of it. It'll take you about 4 months to get back. If you get it back, then I'll be auctioned it off. No problem. Take it here.
All right, so I just got pulled over leaving the meet because my exhaust is loud. And now I'm in the side of the parking lot waiting for them to come back. I'm probably gonna get an exhaust ticket, gonna get 10 tickets. They're probably gonna try and rip me for my inspection even though I have an inspection. So, we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated.
Here we go. Get your license and registration back, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Gave you 3 tickets for the tinted windshield. You can't have a tinted windshield, okay?
Okay.
Can't have any windows tinted on a sedan, just so you know. Also, no catalytic converter, and also you have no front plate on the vehicle here. In New York State, we require a front and rear license plate. Okay? So those are the 3 tickets.
Okay.
In this card right here, it tells you what you can do. You can answer back in these tickets in 3 days, 72 hours. You can scan that QR code with your phone, or go to this website down here. You can do a plea deal. You can plead guilty, not guilty, or take a plea deal from the Traffic and Violation Bureau. Okay.
Okay. Can I ask what the original purpose of the stop was? Just because I never got like a direct this is why I pulled you over.
Yes, I did stop you. I said introduce myself again, Officer Martin, Suffolk County Police Department. I stopped you for no front plate and the no catalytic converter. Okay. When you're by me,
Yeah,
you want to buy me at a high rate of speed too.
I have a valved exhaust, so it closes and opens. So it usually
closes and opens. Okay. Well, when you
it
pass
sounds
me,
louder than.
Okay. Okay.
So it was in the sport mode. It wasn't in the comfort mode. So when it's in the sport mode, it does the pops.
So then you're allowed to bring that documentation and plead that in court, sir.
Okay. I just wanted to let you know, so I wasn't lying to you earlier. I just.
Okay. Well, you told me earlier in your oral admission that you stated that there is no catalytic converter in the vehicle. That was your oral admission, sir.
I'm saying I know, but I want to let you know I'm not
lying. And I
lying.
appreciate you for memorializing this traffic stop. And again, that information is very important. I understand some high-end cars like that have those bypasses where they will bypass. But again, the legalities of having a bypass, because it sounded like you did have the bypass for a very loud car to make those loud popping noises. It sounded like they had an incomplete combustion that was exiting your exhaust system. Am I right or am I wrong?
It does sound like that when you put it in the sport mode.
Okay, sir. So again, you also have the tinted windshield. That also is illegal. You can't have a tinted windshield in the state of New York, especially anything that's below the markings on the windshield that designated marked on the vehicle. Okay? Any other questions for me, sir?
No questions for you.
Please get home safe, okay?
Yes, will do. Thank you. They did not like me.
Yo!
Here, wait. Roll it out for me. Roll it out.
Oh my!
You want me to hold it? I'll hold it.
Yeah, hold it up.
I got you.
Yo, I got the Declaration of Independence right here, guys. Where's your total at? Or do you have a court date?
I probably have a court date. He gave me some fucking piece of paper.
Court date.
He gave me some piece of paper. I don't know what it was. Two of them are technically fix-it tickets. Look at this.
Let's read it. Let's read it. Hold on. Give him a spotlight.
Yo, we got no distinctive plate. Insecure or dirty. We got no front plate?
Come on, fix up.
Front windshield, non-transparent.
Okay.
You got the windows down? Shit. Remove, dismantle, the fuck? Enter, air pool. Is that your muffler or some shit?
It says no cats, basically.
Oh, okay. They could have just put no cats. Yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I see it.
He put his flashlight to it and was like, "This is dark." I was like,
What a guy.
It's like, wow, what an accurate reading. Thanks. Alright, so let me give you a quick little rundown of what actually happened. So we were pulling out of the car meet, and I see Tukes go down the block, and then I follow him down the block. You know, I have it in sport mode, so in sport mode the car is a lot louder than when it's in comfort mode, and it does the pops that everyone loves, you know. So I pull up to the stoplight that just turned red, and the cop comes flying down the side of me and pulls right in front of me, jumps out of the car all angry and everything, and I'm confused at this point because I don't even know what's going on yet. And he runs up to my car and tells me, turn the car off. Meanwhile, my car's already off. I told him, I said it's already off. And then he starts like trying to bait me and like tell me that like trying to get me to say that I don't have like cats in the car and everything. And well, I told him, I said it's a valved exhaust. That's what it does. We're still in the middle of the highway at this point. So he's like, all right, let me go move traffic. And he pulls me into the parking lot, takes my license, takes my registration, doesn't take my insurance from me. We pull into the parking lot and I don't see him the whole time. He lets all my friends go and I'm sitting here waiting, and from that point on is where you will see what I was able to film at the time. He tried like being all Mr. Nice Guy once he saw the camera come out and gave me my tickets, and then decided to be nice and say what he wanted to say. But anyway, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
It sounded like you did have the bypass for a very loud car to make those loud popping noises. It sounded like you had an incomplete combustion that was exiting your exhaust system. Am I right or am I